All right, so I've read here and there some things to use when you have somebody leave a plastic bag on top of a toaster oven. And some people say use nail polish remover. Uh, I had some acetone, which is essentially the same, and tried that. It got a little bit of the stains out, but you can still see this big blotch right here. I tried that one brand called Goof Off to remove things, adhesive and glue and tar, and that made a little bit of a dent, not a whole lot, but I still have this here. Been using kind of a no scratch pad in conjunction with all these products. Even tried a little bit of brake cleaner. Brake cleaner seemed to kind of work pretty good. They all kind of made some degree of progress in getting this stain out. People forget that when they're toasting their bread or whatnot, and they're leaving the plastic bag on top of the hot surface, well, it's going to melt and etch the surface. So in my struggle, I've been still trying things. I had some all-purpose cleaner, and now my next attempt will be the Barkeeper's Friend. See what this can do. Soft cleanser, removes rust, lime, stains, and tarnish. So we'll see what this does, and I guess it's probably not any one particular product that seems to, at least in my case, work. They all had some degree of success in getting the, I should have filmed it before, how worse it looked before, but this is where we're at now at this point after trying all those different products. So I'm going to put a little dab of this Barkeeper's Friend, well, maybe kind of a larger dab, and use the scouring pad again and see what this does. Give this a little rub in. I think if this doesn't quite do it, I might have to switch to perhaps a really fine mesh or fine grade steel wool to see if that'll help get that stain out. But I'll give this some time to work. See what this does. And you can always back up the video to see the before on this one. Hopefully the soft cleanser will not be too aggressive and end up giving a really scratched surface. I may have to do kind of an overall pass to have it all blend in. Focus more on this spot now. I've heard a lot of good things about Barkeeper's Friend, and just by looking at this, it looks like it's really done a great job. Look at that. I probably should have started off with the Barkeeper's Friend and saved myself all this trouble of going through the different chemical approaches, the other chemicals, I should say. They say nail polish remover. That's what I saw online. I had acetone, and of course then the Goof Off. There's that Barkeeper's Friend. It seemed to really do the best. And I would say, let's give this a rinse here. I would say that I think I know why they call it Barkeeper's Friend now. Look at that. That did a really nice job. I mean, look at that. Give this a little more of a wipe. If you play this video back before I applied the Barkeeper's Friend, you'll see what the stain looked like, and look at how well Barkeeper's friend did this. Oh wow, that is really impressive. I'd say score 1 for Barkeeper's friend. All right, thanks for watching.